എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും നവരാത്രി ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു.
Today we are going to learn Sri Saraswati Namaswari Devi by Muthuswami Dikshita in the ragam Arabi set to Rupakata. So we can learn Pallavi. Sri Saraswati Namostute
Sri Saraswati Namostute
Amba Sri Saraswati Namostute
Amba Shri Saraswati Namostute
Varade Sri Saraswati Namostute
Varade Shri Saraswati Namostute
Varade Varade Sri Saraswati Namostute
Varade Vate Shripati Gauri Pati Guru Bhavinute Vidiyuvate Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade Vate Shripati Gauri Pati Guru Bhavinute Vidiyuvate Shri Saraswati Namostute
Next is Charna. Vasana Traya Vivarjita
Vasanatraya vivarjita
Varamuni Bhavita Murte
Varamuni bhavita murte
Vasanatraya Vivarjita
Vasanatraya vivarjita
Varamuni Bhavita Murte Vasavadya
Vasavadya
Nilanichara
Nilanichara
Varavitarana
Varavitarana
Bahukirtedara
Bahukirtedara
Asayutamukamburuhe
Asayutamukamburuhe
Adbhuta Charanamburuhe
Adbhuta Charanamburuhe
Samsara Vidyapahe
Samsara Vidyapahe
Sakala Mandrakshara Guhe
Sakala Mantrakshara Guhe
Asayutamukamburuhe
Adbhuta Charanamburuhe Samsara Vidyapahe Sakala Mantrakshara Guhe Shri Saraswati Namostute Paradevate Shripati Gauri Pati Guru Bhavinute Vidiyuvate Shri